Are you looking for the perfect camera for photography, videography, or content creation? Choosing the right camera can be challenging, especially with so many options available. That's why we've selected the top 5 best cameras of 2026, comparing them based on image quality, video performance, autofocus, portability, features, and overall value. From beginner-friendly cameras to powerful mirrorless models and compact vlogging cameras, we've got options for different shooting styles, experience levels, and budgets, so let's dive into our top 5 countdown. Number 5, let's kick off our countdown with the Kodak Pixpro FC55, a compact and affordable digital camera designed for casual photography, travel, and everyday content creation. The Pixpro FC55 features a 16-megapixel sensor, 5x optical zoom, and a 28mm wide-angle lens, making it easy to capture photos from landscapes to everyday moments. It also supports 1080p Full HD video and features a 2.7-inch LCD screen for convenient framing and playback. Its compact point-and-shoot design makes it especially appealing for beginners and users who want a simple camera that's easy to carry. Key features: heavy checkmark 16MP digital camera, heavy checkmark 5x optical zoom, heavy checkmark 28mm wide-angle lens, heavy checkmark 1080p Full HD video, heavy checkmark 2.7-inch LCD screen, heavy checkmark compact point-and-shoot design. Final verdict: if you're looking for a simple, compact, and affordable camera for everyday photography, travel, and basic video recording, the Kodak Pixpro FC55 is a great choice. Moving on to number 4, we have the Canon EOS R100, a beginner-friendly mirrorless camera designed for photographers and creators who want to step up from a smartphone or basic point-and-shoot camera. The EOS R100 features a 24.1 megapixel Aps-C CMOS sensor that delivers detailed images, while its RF/S18-45mm lens provides a versatile focal range for everyday photography. It also supports 4K video recording and includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for convenient sharing and device connectivity. With its compact mirrorless design and user-friendly features, the EOS R100 is a solid option for beginners who want to explore interchangeable lens photography. Key features: heavy checkmark 24.1MP Aps-C CMOS sensor, heavy checkmark RF/S18-45mm lens, heavy checkmark 4K video recording, heavy checkmark Wi-Fi Bluetooth connectivity, heavy checkmark compact mirrorless design, heavy checkmark beginner-friendly camera. Final verdict: if you're a beginner looking for an affordable mirrorless camera with good image quality, interchangeable lenses, and useful connectivity features, the Canon EOS R100 is an excellent option. Coming in at number 3 is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a compact vlogging camera designed specifically for creators who want smooth, high-quality video in a highly portable package. The Osmo Pocket 3 features a large 1-inch CMOS sensor and supports up to 4K per 120 frames per second video, helping deliver detailed footage with smooth motion. Its 3-axis mechanical stabilization helps keep video steady while moving, while the 2-inch rotatable touchscreen makes framing and controlling the camera more convenient. With fast focusing, spotlight follow, and a pocket-sized design, the Osmo Pocket 3 is particularly well suited for travel, vlogging, social media, and on-the-go content creation. Key features: heavy checkmark 1-inch CMOS sensor, heavy checkmark up to 4K per 120 frames per second video, heavy checkmark 3-axis mechanical stabilization, heavy checkmark fast focusing, heavy checkmark 2-inch rotatable touchscreen, heavy checkmark spotlight follow. Final verdict: if you're a vlogger or content creator looking for a compact camera with excellent stabilization, high-resolution video, and powerful creator-focused features, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is an outstanding choice. Our runner-up is the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, a powerful full-frame hybrid mirrorless camera designed for photographers and creators who need advanced performance for both photos and video. The EOS R6 Mark II features a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that delivers excellent image quality and strong performance across a wide range of shooting conditions. Paired with the RF24-105mm f4-7.1 IS STM lens, it offers a versatile focal range suitable for portraits, travel, everyday photography, and video creation. As a full-frame hybrid camera, the R6 Mark II is designed for more advanced users who want professional-level capabilities in both photography and videography. Key features: heavy checkmark 24.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor, heavy checkmark RF 24-105mm f4-7.1 IS STM lens, heavy checkmark advanced hybrid photo-video performance, heavy checkmark full-frame image quality, heavy checkmark versatile zoom range, heavy checkmark professional mirrorless design. Final verdict: if you want a powerful full-frame camera with excellent photo and video capabilities and a versatile lens, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is an outstanding choice for serious photographers and content creators. Taking the #1 spot is the Sony Zyveron E10 II, a creator-focused Aps-C mirrorless camera that offers an excellent combination of image quality, 4K video, fast autofocus, portability, and vlogging features. Its 26-megapixel Aps-C Exmor sensor delivers detailed images, while 4K/60p video and fast hybrid autofocus make it a strong choice for content creators. The Vari-Angle flip-out LCD and included EPZ 16-50mm OSS2 lens also make it convenient for vlogging and everyday shooting. Key features: heavy checkmark 26MP Aps-C Exmor sensor, heavy checkmark 4K/60p video recording, heavy checkmark fast hybrid autofocus, heavy checkmark Vari-Angle flip-out LCD. Heavy checkmark EPZ 16-50mm OSS2 lens, heavy checkmark creator-friendly design. Final verdict: if you're looking for a versatile camera for photography, YouTube, vlogging, and high-quality video, the Sony Zyveron E10 II is our #1 recommendation. And that's our list of the top 5 best cameras of 2026. From beginner-friendly cameras to powerful mirrorless models and compact vlogging options, we hope this guide has helped you find the right camera for your photography, videography, and content creation needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Zyveron Tech Asif, and turn on the notification bell for more top 5 product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Which of these cameras would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. You'll find links to all the featured products in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.